The term body function refers to the physiological processes and activities that occur within the human body to maintain life and support its various systems. Organs can also be part of an organ system, which is several organs that perform a function in the body organ system. Integumentary. This system is made up of our skin, hair, and subcutaneous tissue that lies just beneath our skin. The primary function of our integumentary system is to provide our body which a barrier to any invading organism and any external environmental items that may be harmful to us. This system also is primarily responsible for maintaining our proper body temperature. Our skeletal system is made up of our bones, cartilage, ligaments, and our bone marrow. This system supports and moves our body, protects our internal organs, provides storage for various essential minerals, and also responsible for the production of our blood supply. Muscular. Our muscular system is made up of all our muscle and our tendons that attach our muscle to various body parts so our muscle can function properly. The primary function of our muscular system is to provide us with the ability to move around, locomotion, and also contributes to the production of necessary heat within our body.
Nervous. Our nervous system is primarily made up of our brain, spinal cord, nerves, eyes, and ears. It is essential to coordinate all the many actions of our organ systems and allow us to respond to the many sensations we are exposed to as we live day to day.
The many components of our endocrine system includes our pituitary gland, parotid gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, thymus gland, pancreas, ovaries in women, and tentacles in men. This system regulates many of our body functions, touch the production and use of various chemicals released into our bloodstream called hormones. Cardiovascular. Of course, this system is made up of our heart, our arteries and veins, and our blood in addition to transporting oxygen and nutrients to all our body tissues. Our cardiovascular system also removes waste product from our body. It's made up of our spleen, lymph nodes, thymus gland, and lymphatic vessel. Its primary function is to return fluid to our bloodstream from various body tissues and to defend our body against foreign organism and infection.
Respiratory. The major components of the system are our lungs and our trachea or windpipe, along with the nasal and oral cavities to allow us to breathe in oxygen and breathe out the carbon dioxide.
Digestive. Our digestive system has many components, including our salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, colon and rectum, liver, and pancreas. The function of this very important system is to process the food and drink we consume so we can absorb nutrition into our body to maintain our health and to also eliminate waste. Urinary. Our urinary tract system is made up of our two kidneys, our two ureters to take urine down to the bladder, where it is stored until we urinate off our bladder through our urethra. The function of this system is to eliminate waste and toxin from our bloodstream, and it also to regulate the pH acid level in our bloodstream and the volume of blood in body as well. Of course, this system allows us to reproduce and have children. The female ovaries produce eggs and the male testicles produce sperm to allow conception of a fetus to grow in the mother uterus until the time of delivery of the newborn baby. So there you have it. Our human body has 11 organ systems and nearly 80 organs that allow us to function properly each and every day. What a marvelous creation, and we all need to remember to make good healthy choice to take care of this amazing organ system in our body.
Good day everyone, I am Ezreal Pantillo and I will discuss the muscular system topic and its function. Muscular system. The muscular system is an organ system responsible for providing strength, keeping up the balance, maintaining posture, allowing movement, and producing heat. Producing movement is a common function of all muscle types. These are the muscles of your body representing the front and back. The main organ of the muscular system is it permits movements of the body, maintains posture, and circulates blood throughout the body. There are common muscle characteristics. First is contractibility, is the ability of the muscles to contract. Second is elasticity. It is the ability of the muscles to return to its original shape. Take note that once a muscle stretches, it needs the ability to return to its original shape. Third is excitability. It is the ability of the muscle to respond to stimuli. Muscle movements occurs in response to nerve impulse. There are three types of muscles. First is smooth muscles, second cardiac muscles, and third is skeletal muscles. So first, let's discuss about smooth muscles. Smooth muscles, this is found inside the organs like stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. This is involuntarily controlled, it means you cannot control the movements. Second is cardiac muscles. This muscle is only found in the heart. Cardiac muscles responsible in pumping blood throughout the body. Cardiac muscles tissue cannot be controlled consciously. And it is a type of involuntarily muscles, it means you cannot control it consciously. Lastly, skeletal muscle is to contract to move parts of the body closer to the bone that the muscle is attached to. Most skeletal muscles are attached to two bones across a joint to the muscle serves to move parts of those bones closer to each other. Skeletal muscle is a type of voluntarily muscles because it can be consciously activated to control movement.
Good day everyone, my name is Arvin Kailangan and I'm going to discuss the meaning of a skeleton system. The skeletal system is a fundamental part of the human body, provides support, strength, and shape. It is composed of various bones and similar structures. Ang skeletal system daw po ay binubuo ng pangunahing buto ng ating katawan na nagbibigay ng suporta, lakas at nagbibigay ng hugis ng ating katawan na binubuo nito ng iba't ibang uri ng buto at kahalintulad ng struktura. Bones form a network that protects our organs such as the heart, lungs, and brain. They are also responsible for facilitating movement of our muscles such as the movement of our arms and legs. Karagdagan nito, sinusuportahan rin ito ang ating katawan pagtayo, paglakad, at pagtakbo. The main important part of a skeletal system is the skeleton itself, which is made of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and joints. Collectively, the skeleton provides support, protection, and movement of the body. Here are some other key components of the skeletal system include Number 1 is bone. The skeleton is comprised of 206 bones in the human body. Bones have various shapes, size, and functions, such as providing support and protecting vital organs and accompanying muscles for movement. Second is joint. Joints are the connections between bones, enabling movement and flexibility, and they can be classified into three main types like fibrous, cartilaginous, and synovial joints. Third, cartilage. Cartilage is a firm, flexible connective tissue that covers the ends of the bones and acts as cushions between joints and reducing friction absorbing shock. Fourth is ligaments. Ligaments are strong bands of connective tissue that connect bones to bone, providing stability and limiting excessive movement at the joints. Tendon. Tendon is a strong or fibrous band of connective tissue that connect muscle to bone, Tendons play a crucial role in facilitating movement and transmitting the force generated by muscles to the bones that they are attached to. They are composed primarily of collagen fibers, which provide flexibility and strength. Tendons are found throughout the body, enabling various types of movements and providing stability to joints.
Good day everyone, I am Camilo Perme and I am going to discuss about the endocrine system.
Endocrine system is also known as hormone system. It plays a vital role in our body wherein it is responsible in controlling our emotions, our growth and development, our metabolism, and most especially in reproduction. Endocrine system is a network of glands in our body that releases hormones in our bloodstream so they can travel to other body parts. It is also responsible for almost every cell, organ, and functions in our body.
I have prepared a video for you to watch so that you can have a better understanding of how the endocrine system works.
The endocrine system is composed of glands that regulate body functions, like the body's reaction to the environment, the level of substances in the blood, metabolism and growth, immune responses, and sexual development and function. Each gland secretes chemical messengers called hormones directly into the bloodstream. Hormones dissolve into blood plasma and travel to specific body regions where they pass through the blood vessel walls and bind to targeted cells. It is by altering the function of individual cells that these hormones can influence the activity of the body's individual tissues and organs.
Hypothalamus. This organ connects your endocrine system with your nervous system. Its main job is to tell your pituitary gland to start or stop making hormones. This gland is located in your brain and controls your endocrine system. It uses information from your nervous system to determine when to tell other glands, including the pituitary gland, to produce hormones. The hypothalamus controls many processes in your body, including your mood, hunger and thirst, sleep patterns, and sexual functions. Pituitary gland. This is your endocrine system's master gland. It uses information it gets from your brain to tell other glands in your body what to do. This little gland is only about the size of a pea, but it has a big job. It makes hormones that control several other glands such as the thyroid gland, adrenal glands, ovaries, and testicles, the pituitary gland is in charge of many different functions, including how your body grows. It is located at the base of your brain.
Thyroid gland. This gland makes thyroid hormone, which controls your growth and metabolism. If this gland doesn't make enough hormone, you can or you might have a condition called hypothyroidism, which everything happens more slowly. Your heart rate might slow down. You can also get constipated, and if it makes too much hormones, you can have or you might have hyperthyroidism. Everything speeds up. Your heart rate might race. You could have a diarrhea. Parathyroid gland. These four tiny glands are no larger than a grain of rice. They control the level of calcium in your body for your heart, kidneys, bones, and nervous system to work. They play a role in bone health. The glands control your level of calcium and phosphorus. Adrenal gland. Best known for making the fight or flight hormone adrenaline, also called epinephrine. You have two adrenal glands, one on top of each kidneys. These two glands also make hormones called corticosteroids. They control your metabolism, blood pressure, sexual development, and response to stress. Pancreas. This organ is part of your digestive and endocrine system. It makes digestive enzymes that break down food. It also makes the hormones insulin and glucagon. This ensures you have the right amount of sugar in your bloodstream and your cells. Gonads, the primary reproductive organs, are the testes in the male and the ovaries in the female. These organs are responsible for producing the sperm and ova, but they also secrete hormones and are considered to be endocrine glands. Testes. Male sex hormones as a group are called androgens. The principal androgen is testosterone, which is secreted by the testes. A small amount is also produced by the adrenal cortex. Production of testosterone begins during fetal development, continues for a short time after birth, nearly ceases during childhood, and then resumes after puberty. Ovaries. Two groups of female sex hormones are produced in the ovaries, the estrogens and progesterone. These steroids hormones contribute to the development and function of the female reproductive organs and sex characteristics. At the onset of puberty, estrogens promotes the development of the breast, distribution of fat evidence in the hips, legs, and breast, maturation of reproductive organs such as the uterus and vagina.